I'm gonna do a quick review of this Igloo cooler. This is an 18-pack cooler. Has a couple of cup holders. It's just setting it outside if you're working somewhere to put a little bit of snacks in here to keep it from getting wet. Put on the outside. The inside pretty deep. Like I said, it's an 18-pack. I usually put like 10 or 12 in there and put a lot of ice. The ice will stay on there pretty good. Keep it cold all day. Good handle. Check this. You're looking for a good cooler. It's not expensive as a lot of the top name brands that's came out in recent years. But this is made really good. This Igloo, like I said, 18-pack. It's got good insulation in it. I live in the South, so you put ice in here and drinks and stay all day. Come back the next morning, it'll still be cold. So I'm looking for a good one. Check this one out.